All right, guys. In this education video, we are going to learn how we can use bond yields into forex trading. In other words, we are going to discuss how bond yields are connected to currencies, and if we see any changes in the bond yields, we can use this information into forex trading. So basically, bond yields are the return investors get when they lend money to government. In a very simpler terms, when you buy bonds, government bonds, you simply lend money to the government for which you earn interest. When the bond yields rise, investors often move money into that economy or that country whose bond yields are rising. This increases the demand for the currency of that country. For example, rising US government bond yields will attract investors to buy more and more US dollars by selling currencies of their own country so that they can buy US government bond yields. So this already is a forex trading. Let's say you are in Europe and you are selling Euro USD to buy dollars so that you can buy US government bond yield. So definitely this will create a pressure on Euro USD to go down. So that's why we should also look into government bond yields, and we should compare the rise and fall in the bond yields to understand what probable effect it can have on the forex market. This is slightly different from comparing the interest rates of one country versus another country because of the lock-in period of the bond yields. Currency currencies are impacted by bond yields in a more stable way because they have some sort of lock-in period like 10-year bond yield or 20-year bond yield, and that is why their value do not change immediately as per the changing sentiment about a reduction or hike in the interest rate. So rising bond yields may set more stable trend in the market for a currency. That's all in short about the bond yields. Thanks for watching.